Hello, my name is Shrish Acharya and I am from Bangalore, Karnataka, and I am a diploma electronics and communication engineer. And I completed my diploma from BUS Autonomous Polytechnic, Bagalkot. After completing diploma, I started my career as a service engineer. Being a service engineer, my roles and responsibilities are to configure hardware and networking devices and troubleshoot whenever it is required. And while working, I thought of going one step forward in my IT career. As we all know, IT evolves every day. So without having proper knowledge and skills, it is very much difficult to survive in IT field. So the quest of searching a next role in my IT journey started to deplete. So I started searching and I got to know about eVision Techno Services Private Limited. eVision is an IT recruitment and manpower outsourcing company. And after contacting them, I got to know about their OGT program. And OGT program consists of different modules. The modules are CCNA, Windows Administration, Cyber Security, and Linux Administration. And each module has its own trainer who are industrially experienced and expert in their field. Trainers are Roshan sir, Rahul sir, Vibhudesh sir, Tarun sir, and Sushant sir. In Windows Administration module, I learned how to install Windows operating system and Windows Server 2012 operating system, and I also got knowledge about BIOS menu and creating local users and groups, configuring work group and domain, configuring DHCP, adding Active Directory services, and also got the knowledge about domain controller and credential management and device management, disk and driver management, disk fragmentation, disk defragmentation, disk cleanup, and configuring the mailing services using the protocols such as IMAP, SMTP, and POP3, and troubleshooting the mailing services, and hardware assembly and hardware troubleshooting, and Windows backup using different methods, and troubleshooting the blue screen of death issue, troubleshooting the black screen of death issue, creating the PST and the CST folders, and many more things we can learn in this Windows administration module. After that, in CCNA module, I learned basic networking and IP addressing. In IP addressing, IPv4 addressing, IPv6 addressing with subnetting, and also learned routing, in routing, static routing, dynamic routing using protocols RIP version 1, RIP version 2, EIGRP, and OSPF, and also learned the concept of DNS and DHCP configuration, and also HSRP configuration. In switching, I learned in trunking VLAN and STP and VTP, and some of the advanced topics such as NAT concept, in NAT, static NAT and dynamic NAT, and also the PAT concept, and WAN and LAN configuration, WAN authentication using CHAP and PAP method, and also taking the remote access of router using console cable, telnet, and SSH method. And lastly, I learned about the cabling and the different types of cabling and their work, and also about the access list. So after completing each module, there will be a doubt clearing session and mock interview sessions, and I attended all the mock interview sessions. And after completing every mock interview, the trainer will give you the feedback and they will tell you what are your weaknesses and your mistakes, and also guide us to overcome our mistakes and weaknesses. And this helped me a lot to upgrade my skills to advanced level. And lastly, the overall motto of this OGT program is to develop your IT skills and theoretical, practical, and troubleshooting knowledge to the advanced level which are used in the present IT industries. So after completing this program, I upgraded my technical knowledge and my confident 100% to the next level, and now I am 100% ready to handle any kind of issue and solve any kind of problems in real time work successfully. So I'm looking forward to attend real time interview and crack the interview. and get my job and exhibit my skills and become one of the helping hand in the growth of the company. Thank you.